Hi buddy, I'm Sarah and welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to teach you guys how to make stuffed chicken. I'm so excited about this recipe because I love it so much and I can't wait to share it with you guys. So let's talk about how I marinated it. Then we'll talk about what's stuffed inside. So what I marinated this with was pesto sauce and some black pepper. It's the basic stuff you have at home. So this is an easy to-do recipe. Next, I'm gonna pick this up. I put some cheese in this. You can use cheddar. Cheddar. There's mozzarella too. I forgot what mozzarella was. You can use cheddar, mozzarella, or marbled. I chose marbled because I loved it at that both of the two worlds. And then I have some sun-dried tomatoes. I have some regular tomatoes. I got some jalapenos hiding in there. You see the green? You guys see it? No? Okay. Then yeah, that's pretty much what I did. The same stuff. And now, guys, I'm gonna be baking it. And yeah, that's pretty much it. And then you can try it. But it's a super simple recipe. It's a to-do recipe.